Now presenting Puss in Boots. Parts read by Kelly Kay as the creature, Kalia as the princess, Esther as Puss, and Javia as the worker. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to read aloud the story of Puss in Boots. This is a very famous, very well-known story that has been rewritten and retold by many people. But this version is written by, or should I say retold by, Max Winter. A miller split up all of his things. He gave them to his sons. There you see his sons. 1, 2, 3 sons, and this is the miller. I will give my cat to my youngest son. Your cat? You are just a cat. What can you do?
I can do a lot. Just give me some corn and give me some boots.
Okay. Puss went into the forest. Puss put down his corn. He sat still. A rabbit hopped by. The rabbit ate the corn. Puss caught the rabbit. Puss took the rabbit to the king. Did you catch this?
No, the Duke caught it.
I want to meet this Duke.
You will, King.
Puss brought the king a gift every day. Puss said it was from the Duke. One day, Puss took the son to the river. Puss had a clever idea.
Jump into the river. I have a plan.
The son jumped in. Then the king passed by.
Help! The Duke is in trouble.
The king helped the son. Then the princess saw the son. She fell in love.
Daddy! Can the Duke and Puss travel with us?
Yes, said the king. Puss ran ahead. He saw workers in a field.
Tell the king that the Duke owns these fields.
Who owns these fields? The Duke owns them. Duke, I am proud of you. The king moved on. Puss stayed with the workers.
Be careful when you go exploring. A castle is near. A creature lives in there. The creature can change into anything. I'm not afraid.
Puss ran to the castle. He met the creature.
What do you want? I hear you can turn into a lion.
The creature turned into a lion. Puss was not scared.
Can you turn into a mouse?
The creature turned into a mouse. Puss ate him. Puss had tricked the creature. Puss went back to the king.
Puss? Follow me. The Duke Castle is closed.
Is this your castle? It's fantastic. Yes, thank you. The son was thankful for what Puss did. The son married the princess. They lived happily ever after in the castle. The end.